Today we're going to be kind of putting a special type of animal on our face.
Guys, I know what it is.
What is it?
It's a moth.
Really, a moth?
It's a moth.
Not a butterfly?
Right. That's the one.
So look, that's the final look, the butterfly. Bam. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Divine Mix and we're doing our makeup and our hair today, and I'm also joined by
The Don Dada himself, Emperor Nonya.
Yes, so Emperor Nonya, I hear you've improved your makeup skills, so tell me, what is the first step?
I learned what a palette brush was last week.
What's a palette brush?
It's a brush that's used with the palettes where the makeup come in.
Like an eyeshadow palette? So an eyeshadow brush?
I didn't get that lesson yet. Anyhow, moving on. We're putting on our ears.
Okay.
We're gonna go this week.
What we're actually doing is we're putting on concealer as a primer.
I see. Yeah. Like a wall.
We're actually, you know what we're doing? Today we're going to be kind of putting a special type of animal on our face.
You mean like the leopard bunny you have on your head?
No, but kind of. Okay, what are we doing now?
Peter wants to know your location. We are choosing our color palette that we're going to be putting on top of our concealer.
What?
That was right? Yo.
So,
you didn't tell me I was right?
Yeah, that was right.
Oh,
that was right.
Yeah.
So today I'm going very bright colors. I'm going with a nice red and orange. Can you guess the animal yet?
Red and orange? It's a fox.
How am I going to put a fox on my face?
I got a fox on my chest.
Whatever. Anyways, you see what we're doing between the two colors?
We're blending them.
Yes. What are we doing now?
We're putting on eyeliner.
Yeah, we're putting it on the waterline. You've gotten so much better at this.
Thank you very much. Oh, I can see it now. Guys, I know what it is.
What is it?
It's a moth.
Really, a moth?
It's a moth.
Not a butterfly?
Right. That's the one. That's the one. You see, in the islands, the moth. That's a lie. Sorry, the moths aren't orange. My bad, dog.
So I'm actually using a brush with my eyeliner. I'm tapping my brush into the eyeliner and I'm using that to outline. So that way the lines could be a bit more precise.
Exactly, like a surgeon.
Yes, exactly.
Now, ladies, my question is, why are we putting animals on our face?
I thought it would look nice. It's for springtime.
I'm not saying it's not nice, but isn't this a lot of work? My goodness.
This is a nice springtime Easter makeup, isn't it?
Oh, yes, most definitely.
Right?
Most definitely.
So I thought...
Like, you can definitely go to the supermarket in this, you know?
I have never seen anybody go in the supermarket with this. That I would be so amazed. So now, what am I doing? What did I just do?
Bring back the 80s.
No, because I don't have like a white eyeshadow and it's hard to get that fade in. I took a white liner, I rubbed it on the back of my hand, and I used a brush to put that little white
What you just explained sounds
yeah.
like something you shouldn't tell the police.
Anyways, what am I putting on now? You know this. You definitely know this.
More white liner.
No, I'm bedazzling.
Oh, right. Yes.
Because the lines didn't come out. I don't have the right thing. The lines didn't come out dark enough. So I'm using black bedazzled beads to kind of catch light as well as define that butterfly wing.
Ladies and gentlemen, please don't judge me. As a child, when I used to watch those commercials with the bedazzling machine, I wanted one. My mother was so offended. I don't know what I was going to bedazzle. I was going to bedazzle something. I was going to bedazzle my basketball. In fact, I think we did. The court was crazy. Anyway, we're putting them on our face now. Probably, you know what? I would bedazzle my face too. This is makeup for me. See, she can hear me.
Okay, now we're going back to our base makeup. You know what this one is.
Putty. Facial putty, creasing, mask, concealer, Mask. Powder. Oh no, it's a gel. No, it's
What? Okay. So when you're building a
toner.
house, you first have to fix
Foundation.
Yes.
Okay, there we go. I'm in construction.
Okay, so we are making sure our foundation is good. Now we're putting on
The steel rods in which we will use to ensure that the foundation is sturdy. for
concealer.
everywhere. Yeah. You have to conceal the foundation from you know, in
And
case they see who come to come inspect if you didn't work properly. Anyway, go ahead.
this one,
This is contour.
yeah.
Yeah.
We want to create some definition to our face.
Yeah,
Because we
you
don't
know.
want it all to be one color.
That's right, you know, and we're making our cheekbones look higher, you know, we're putting our baby. All right, she's moving on too fast.
What did I do just now?
You moved on too fast. I just said it. I just said it. I don't know what's going on at this very. I mean, I do know what's going on at this very moment. We are putting in the wings.
No, the wings are already there.
We're
There's no-
highlighting the eyebrows to match the wings on the side because the bird is flaking flight. I mean the moth. I mean the butterfly. I'm pronouncing this one.
The butterfly.
Yes.
So you know we're not gonna have your favorite wing tips in this because the butterfly wing's in the way.
I'll have turkey wings in. You never had turkey wings in? Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something. Get yourself down to the nearest Renaissance fair. Let them know that Cody sent you.
Are you talking about medieval times?
Medieval time, yeah, Renaissance fair.
Oh my gosh, can you believe my power went out?
Yes.
I was in the middle of doing my makeup, almost at the end. Power went completely out. I could not use my camera anymore, so I had to record it with flash on my phone.
Yeah, I can see that blush is actually natural blush. That's from you screaming.
That's from the heat. It's so hot. Nothing was working. Power was out for like days.
Oh my goodness, man. Shouts out to the islands.
So this is not going to be exactly what I wanted, but we are doing our best.
Oh, that sounds
You know
like
this
my
one
life.
too, right?
What you said?
You know this one too, right?
If I know this one? Yeah, lip liner.
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
yeah.
You said that with
Yo,
such
I'm on
confidence.
fire.
Yeah. I'm so proud of you. You're really learning. What's this
Don't
one?
patronize me.
What's this one?
Setter.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's half the words.
Foundation setter.
No, setting spray.
Strength spray. There we go.
Okay, so now I'm just going to do a very
Part.
quick... Yes, I parted my hair.
Yes.
What am I doing now?
Looking younger. This just feels. I don't know if I should be here anymore.
I'm braiding the front so that way it stays out the way.
Yeah, that's right. Because we're going in sections to make the hair more manageable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And because it's hot, I'm just wetting the hair a bit so that way it's nice, it's smooth.
Anything you want to claim?
Whatever.
All right. So yeah, we see we're moving on here. The braids are coming in, and she's really combing this out though.
Now I'm putting a little gel so my curls can come out while it's drying. I don't want my hair too fluffy this time, but I do want it to have like a nice little curly defined.
Shouts out to anybody who is fluffy though. We want all
Fluffy
positivity.
hair is so amazing.
Indeed.
It's so
Yes.
voluminous.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is a final look.
I'd say she looks great.
Yeah.
Let me see here.
You have to put on earrings.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it. I'm
finish
waiting
the
for
look.
it. You claim too early.
I did. But you know, you've been doing such a good job on this. You got so much right. So look, that's the final look, the butterfly. Bam. Right?
I see. Wow. All right. So, am I supposed to give this a rating?
If you want.
5. Joking 9.